Kia ora, welcome, bonjour. Welcome to Wai-te-ata Press, where history and creativity, innovation and inspiration come to keep the art of letterpress printing and the technologies of print alive. Follow me. So every print begins with typesetting. Every line, every letter, every space must be meticulously placed. This isn't just a mechanical process, it's an art. It's a dialogue with centuries-old craftsmanship. So I've set this up in the chase, and now we're all ready to ink and print. I'm getting some ink here, and we're going to roll it out and spread it over the top of the type in preparation for printing. The ink is quite tacky, has to be stretched and rolled out. So it's just the thinnest of thin coats that goes on the metal type. Today we're going to be printing on this Asburn cylinder proofing press. It's the real workhorse for the studio and what most letterpress printers use these days. I'm feeding the paper in. The whole point of letterpress printing is literally to press the letters into the paper. Pressure will transfer the ink to the paper and create what we call the kiss or the bite of the type. That wonderful embossed look and feel that is like no other printing technology. So voila! Here's the first print of the day. Let me show you other things that happen in the studio of Wai-te-ata Press.
My name is Alak Helman. I am a third-year graphic design student at Te Herenga Waka, and I'm currently taking the independent directed study course at the Wai-te-ata Press. The Letterpress has given me a space to take all of my graphic design and typographic knowledge. At the Letterpress, I get to hold things, feel the physical weight, and see the physical textures, and with every step I'm creating something. That has been huge to the process of coming up with this project.
Welcome to Studio of the Waters of Dawn.
欢迎大家到小水斋。
So what you're seeing here in the studio is, in effect, the only collection of Chinese traditional type that's still being used in the world. It was discovered in a shed in the middle of an onion field outside of Pukekohe in the North Island of New Zealand Chinese commercial growers to print their monthly journal or newspaper from 1952 to 1972. What we're doing at the moment is to clean, curate, and catalog all of the 300,000 pieces of metal type that comprise the collection. We're kaitiaki of the collection. That means we're guardians of the collection. And the aim of the project, with all our volunteers helping out, is to revivify the collection, use the types again, and promote New Zealand Chinese history in the process.
The Chinese community didn't exist really as a community, as one, until the newsletter, in a sense, created community. The project now really is to try and understand better that community through looking at this, the newsletter.
Hi, I'm Tommy. I'm just a general public to the Wai-te-ata Press, and being volunteer for 2.5 years. It's like a 1 hour, well, at most 2 hour session. To me, it's like a zen time for every week. I can use this time to like basically switch my mind, dedicate to something I really like, for example, all the Chinese character stuff. And also to me have some kind of bridging to my own culture and help the culture thrive here in New Zealand, Aotearoa.
Every machine, every type block, even the scent of ink in the air carries the stories of the past. But this place is never just about the past. You never know what might happen in this living museum. The day at Wai-te-ata Press is finished, but the stories are far from over.